Greetings, my people. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Biwarike Kumstaka NZ. This channel aims to showcase to you the best of the best high premium silver collectible silver bullion coins, both past, future, and present coins struck by men from all over the world. So please do consider subscribing. In today's edition, as you can see here, we have a three-way coin showcase here. It's still our Perth Mint tour. We'll start with the 2021, the Australian Swan. I'll showcase the packaging first. Here is the certificate of authenticity. A mintage of 2500. Natasha Moore. I think this was the designer of the Tears of the Moon. Outstanding designer. Acknowledging her work. She's been awesome. Natasha Moore. Anyways, let's get this opened. Reeded edges. This is a proof finish. The obverse Her Majesty. And we move to the 2021 Quokka. You have the certificate of authenticity. This is a colored proof. Mintage of 5000. Reeded edges. Besides, the 2022 Quokka is out already in the bullion version. All right. And last but not the least, you have the Birds of Paradise. This is a 2000 and I think 19. Pretty sure 2019. Let me cross-check that. Probably not here. Anyways, this is a certificate of authenticity. It's a 2019. Mintage of 2500. Anyways, if you've enjoyed what we have showcased today for you, please kindly do us a favor, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.